How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my homie Casa to Casa, and today we're going to talk about, is it a hit or a miss to this product that I picked up on Dollar Tree. You saw it in the last Dollar Tree haul that I show you guys, but this is so natural fruit, dry fruit mist package, and it comes with banana, mulberries, and strawberries. So let me just show you a little clip of how they look, and then we're going to talk about it. Okay, so you get these beautiful pieces. You get the bananas right here. You get the mulberries right here. And then you get the strawberries right here. So I'm just going to show you they are nice and big pieces. And yeah, we're going to try them. So this is the strawberry. Crunchy. You can taste the strawberry. You can also taste it. And I'm a fan of it. This is the banana. The banana, I mean, you can taste the banana, but it kind of tastes also like if you're eating kind of like oatmeal, or if you're eating kind of like honey nut Cheerios. That's what it tastes to me. This is the mulberry. Again, crunchy. You can taste the tart of a blueberry, but you can taste it. The mulberry is very, very good. So yeah, guys, it's a hit. It's worth that $1. So head over to your local Dollar Tree, see if you find them and get them. Meanwhile, I'm gonna snack in all of them. Definitely a hit. And all of them together, different flavors, blending together, perfect mix. So, thank you for your love and support, and I'll see you in my next one.